In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide Microsoft Word comments. A tutorial that's going to be both quick and easy, perfect for when you're trying to declutter your document or present it without the distraction of commentary. So you've been working diligently on your Microsoft Word document, collaborating with others, gathering feedback, and now you have a plethora of comments lining the margins. These comments are incredibly useful for the drafting and revision process, offering insights, corrections, and suggestions. But there comes a time when you need to present or read your document without these comments obstructing your view, or maybe you're preparing to print your document and prefer a clean layout without the clutter of commentary. Whatever the reason, you're here because you want those comments out of sight, at least temporarily. Don't worry, hiding these comments is simpler than you might think. First things first, let's open Microsoft Word on your PC or desktop. This might seem pretty straightforward, but it's always good to start from the very beginning to make sure no step is missed along the way. Once you've got Word open, you're going to want to access your document. You can do this by clicking on a blank document to start a new project, or by navigating through the File menu to open an existing document that's already populated with comments you wish to hide. Now, with your document open in front of you, you're going to navigate to a feature called All Markup. You might wonder, what's All Markup? Well, Microsoft Word's All Markup view is essentially a mode that displays all the changes and comments made to the document. It's a vital tool for reviewing edits, but right now it's the very thing making your document look busy. Adjusting the markup view is incredibly easy. What you want to do is change the All Markup setting to No Markup. By selecting No Markup, you're instructing Word to hide all the visual indicators of comments and changes within the document. It's a clean sweep, leaving you with a pristine document ready for distraction-free reading or presentation. This doesn't delete the comments, mind you. It merely hides them from view. They're still there, safely stored and ready to be reviewed whenever you switch back to the All Markup view. The transformation is immediate. The moment you switch to No Markup, you'll see all those lines, bubbles, and comments disappear from the margins, leaving behind nothing but your document's content. It's as if you've cleared away all the noise, allowing the document's true essence to shine through. This is particularly helpful when you're looking to focus purely on the content, or when you're preparing to share or print the document and prefer it looks clean and professional. Remember, hiding comments does not mean they're gone forever. This flexibility is one of the beauties of Microsoft Word. When you're ready to see those comments again, to dive back into editing mode, or to review feedback, simply revert back to All Markup. All your comments and edits will be right there, waiting for you as if they never left. So, there you have it, a simple, straightforward way to hide comments in your Microsoft Word document. Whether you're preparing a document for a presentation, aiming for a clutter-free reading experience, or simply trying to take a cleaner printout, knowing how to toggle comments visibility in Word is a nifty trick that can make all the difference. Experiment with it, and you'll find that this little feature can significantly impact how you interact with your documents, making Microsoft Word an even more powerful tool in your productivity arsenal. Whether you're a student, a professional, or merely someone who loves to write, understanding how to manage the visibility of your document's comments is a valuable skill in ensuring your work remains as presented and organized as you intend it to be. And that's all there is to it. Thank you for tuning in to today's tutorial on how to hide Microsoft Word comments. Make sure to practice this new skill, and before long, you'll be navigating through your Word documents like a pro, free from the distractions of comments whenever you choose. Happy writing!